This instant rabdi is creamy, smooth, and it can be ready in just about 20 minutes. This rabdi is an easy option when you have unexpected guests or even if you do not have the time to make rabdi in the traditional way, which takes a long time. A chilled bowl of rabdi is a must make and it tastes fabulous along with jalebis or malpuas. I've served this rabdi along with malpuas in my malpua video and it tasted absolutely divine along with soft and juicy malpuas. So let's get started with the recipe. To make instant rabdi, I am taking 1.5 cups of boiled and cooled standard milk. As you can see, I have also taken the cream formed on top of the boiled milk too. To this milk, I'll add 1/3 cupful of milk powder. Note that do not use dairy whitener and with light hands mix everything together. I'm just mixing everything in the pan and have not yet started the cooking process. Initially it will look as if there are lumps, but it is okay. Now I will add a generous pinch of saffron for the taste and the color. The next step is to start cooking this mixture on medium flame. Stir continuously so that the milk powder will dissolve in the milk. The milk has started to boil and you can see the milk powder has melted completely. There are no lumps at all. At this stage I will add half cup of sugar. If you add sugar earlier, there are chances of the milk to curdle. You can add more sugar if you like. I've added half cup to this rabdi which will be of medium sweetness. Also note that any dessert when cool tastes less sweet, so add sugar accordingly. Here I've also added a pinch of salt which is optional, but it adds to the taste of the rabdi, and from here on I'll cook for 5 minutes till the rabdi becomes thick. The saffron has done its job, just look at this color. Keep scraping the rabdi from the sides as it starts to dry up at the edges. Within 5 to 7 minutes the rabdi has turned creamy. At this stage add the dry fruits of your choice. Here I've added some almonds and pistachios. I will turn off the flame and then add the cardamom powder. If you add it earlier, the cardamom loses its aroma. And here our instant rabdi is ready. Wasn't that easy? Just see how creamy and soft it is. Though the rabdi is fabulous, you need to serve it in the appealing way. So I'm going to garnish it with almonds, pistachios and rose petals. I hope you liked today's video and will try out this recipe. Before the video ends, do subscribe to my channel for more such yummy recipes. Thank you for watching this video.